Gang. KKK. KKK. Look.
Looking out across the mountain, the city winds as sweet as I. Hear her voice, shake my window, spit seducing sighs.
How about that cut and I blitz him? Don't come out gun, you know circle go pick him. Spit through the ink tryna split some, and I got punched, then he learned to a victim. Like gang, we on that slew shit, niggas ain't know that we booming shit. Pull up Brody, he's catching out move shit. Side me with me, clenching out roof. What gangs that trees wanna do me? Act so tough, put a hole in your soupies. Every day, man, I make it a movie. Back at that gun, little bitch, better shoot me. I'm pussy so wet like a smoothie. Call him a boogie, you know he got two me. Don't call him out phone about beef, it ain't about money, I forgot to speak the game. Off the sand, I be geeking, spit through the air every day of the weekend. Got mad in me and I'm tweaking, niggas is mad cause he thought about no nigga, I'm not joking, he thought about faggy, he don't really know like. Pussy boy, you a hoe, niggas got guns but these niggas is pro like. Pussy boy, you a bum, why you got a gun if you ain't gon' shoot like. Pussy boy gon' run, last time he see me, he ain't make a move like. He had his gun and then boom, Will got shot, he choked in the room like. How y'all niggas jacking rats, I catch me a mouse, put a hole in his hat like. Boy try to run up and get low, call him bro, he's get shy and tippo. Like pussy, we looking for big bros, never outside but you claiming these hits though. Got a 30 stick cut out the switch hole, 4-5 bullet shit knock down the hip hole. You see my try to try to get low, bullet to smack in the back of his earlobe. Like told money post up like a scarecrow, it's a house out trouble the air. See me ain't TV but that shit is real. I'm 48 gun, I'm a back on the flat hole. Like see how, fucking on dummy, I be how. See the house on my left like free fire. Goes right there, see I speed by, got it go down like body, I need mine. My shots so pretty, shit get close to come. Then I gotta rewind. How about that block like keep on? Say that you do, then you keep lying. Goes right there, I'ma keep fine. Don't call on my phone, they speaking. Ain't about money, what the fuck is the beef? People clip that up words of passes. Why is we beefing them niggas in right? Anywhere I go, nigga was tracking. Every time I see the op, niggas be tracking. And my gun stick to me like a magnet. If that boy run up, get put in the casket. On the news, man, that shit look tragic. Tell that boy mother that nigga was lying. And I know shit really be hurting. I take it down and the bullets start burning. We do walkers and perkos of bourbon. Niggas, they see me and they think they chillin'. They ain't learning lesson, now they learning. Like YK keep spitting and twirling. Like I thought you gave me my girlfriend. Come on and knock you, you better move caution. Shit, can you be bugging, you force it. Every time you see the ops, you off it. Like bitch, who you think you bossing? Talk to him, I see the ops, I'm tossing. Like where he at, I'ma hurt him. I catch ya, I bet I fold him. I catch ya, I bet I fold him. White tee, but I leave that shit soaking. How about that cut and I blitz him? Don't come out gun, you know circle go pick him. Spit through the ink tryna split some, and I got punched, then he learned to a victim. Like gang, we on that slew shit, niggas ain't know that we booming shit. Pull up Brody, he's catching out move shit. Side me with me, clenching on roof. What gangs that trees wanna do me? Act so tough, put a hole in his soupies. Every day, man, I make it a movie. Back at that gun, little bitch, better shoot me. I'm pussy so wet like a smoothie. Call him a boogie, you know he got two lead. Don't call him out phone about beef, it ain't about money, I forgot to speak the game.